and this is the part of our submission for the competition announced by Richmond Community Chinese Community Church. Now the intention here is to create a cluster of the existing building and the new one, which is like a sort of almost like a village. Both buildings are very much contained together. That's why we have arcade wrapping the existing building around. Now, the other facts are important here is the orientation of the new expansion towards Bayview Avenue. And that orientation is very much emphasized by the big cross, precast concrete cross holding the beams, which are part of the roof structure for the church. That creates some kind of the access through the building, emphasized by skylight, and cutting through the sanctuary area, covered by a cathedral roof raised up towards the end, which is the back of the church, where and that spot has been designed as glazing cross. We call it resurrection cross, glazing with a light. Now, when we lift the roof up, you can see a pattern of the ceiling panels, which is intention of that pattern is to have a relation with the wings of the bird above the sanctuary. The sanctuary has a balcony with access from the ground floor up to the second floor of the balcony, and it's a fan concept, very open towards the podium. In terms of the sidelights, we found that this is the best shape offering for the congregation close relation with the podium from any point of the auditorium. Now, behind the sanctuary, at the front of the church, we designed a big lobby. This is the area of the lobby. I can't lift it up because this is solid. However, the intention of the lobby is to have a size sufficient for a huge number of the people going in or out from the sanctuary. We are dealing with about 2,000 people, so we imagine that at some point it's gonna be like at least 1,000 plus people in the lobby, some people trying to go in, some people trying to go out, and people still wants to have a space, not leaving the church immediately. So we are hoping that that space here will create the gathering space for the congregation. Now, the last piece of the building is that wing, which is the northwest wing, 3-story level. That wing contains administration. And basically, that's all what I like to say briefly about the model. I will be covering this back.